Okay, y'all, the final lesson is the classroom reset, reboot, and recharge for the second semester or for whenever you just need a reset in your classroom. So you go to the lesson, you click on it. This one looks like this. You click, yes, I need this. It takes you to the little, title thing where you read more. And then it takes you to this. It gives you the little blob, the little introduction, basically. And you click join now. So for this lesson, you get 4 files. They look like this. This lesson is a complete reset for your classroom. It includes the lesson plan as always. It includes the teacher presentation slides, which are going to just kind of help you reset. So it looks like this. Thought this was really cute, and it even has a little place for you to put your school logo or your class logo to make it feel more, unified and all of that. And it comes in, it starts off with a do now right off the bat. So they have an activity to do when they come into the classroom. It gives you the objectives, and it just kind of goes through what you're going to be doing with the students that day. The other things that are included are a reflection survey. So this is a survey for your students. This is actually the do now introduction. And it has some different questions on there to kind of get the students thinking about what they're reflecting on, whether that be first semester, the first part of class, whatever, however class has been going so far. But it doesn't only include like reflection for the class itself. It includes reflection for themselves. It includes reflection for the teachers. So have y'all ever allowed your students to tell you about you? Sometimes we need to hear that as teachers. I always, every single year, let my students tell me about me. It helps me to know what I need to work on as a teacher, how I can better help them. So it gives them some reflection questions, and you have to be ready to hear a little bit about yourself because you encourage them for honesty, but it is room for self-improvement for yourself as well. So you start off with that, and then it also has a little circle time planning page where you can kind of go in yourself. This is for the teachers to use, but it's for you to kind of do some note taking on everything that's taking place during the lesson. And so all of the details for the lesson are there, but it's a very intimate type of lesson setting, but it's also going to get the students engaged. It's going to allow them to kind of do a reset, reflect on the current rules, classroom systems, and things that are in place. And then for y'all to go through and say, is it working? Is it not working? Are we doing what we're supposed to be doing, or are we not? And then for you all to reset everything that needs to take place in the classroom, letting the students be a part of the process, because when the students are a part of the process of making the rules and designing the climate of the classroom, they enjoy that. They are more likely to respond positively to the rules, to the expectations when they are a part of making the system. So this lesson is all about allowing the students to join in and, just kind of recapturing the system and getting everything in place for you all to have a smooth second semester or rest of the school year whenever you decide to do this reset. So that is the reset lesson. And that's all. I hope that y'all enjoy these lessons. Like I said, again, this one is on sale as well for $20 right now. The regular price is $25, and I would love for you all to purchase a lesson, give me some feedback, and thank you.